Okay, everyone, meet again with us, Group 10. Here we were given the test of making a podcast. But before that, let us introduce our host first. My name is Dimas Kurniawan Haryanto. My name is 242410102484. Next, Andreas.
Okay, my name is Andreas Dwiananda. You can call me Andre. With name 242410102060. Maybe next.
Okay, next, Fresi.
My name is Lesira Falda Firmansyah. I'm from Technology Information, and my last name is 202096.
Okay, next, Aswendino.
My name is Advenito Januma. Last name 2094. I'm from Technology Information.
Okay, next, Badar Anwar.
Okay, hello. My name is Anwar Ibrahim Ahmad. I'm a student in information technology, and my name is 24241010 and 2059.
Okay, next to the podcast. Okay, everyone, let's move to the podcast. Here, I will chat with Mas Andre, who will tell you about his experience during the PKKMB. Okay, how are you, Mas Andre?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine. Can you tell me how your PKKMB?
Yes, I can. Okay. Here you I will you a little about my most exciting time during college. It eh, if that's my own experience, maybe I'll take the story from PKKMB time. That's where I think the early days of interesting college were exciting because I met and got to know a lot of people and ended up being friends until now. I don't know. Until now, I still remember how exciting it was when starting the day for PKKMB, where I leave early to take part in PKKMB activities. Mm, that's actually what makes me miss the PKKMB period because there I really took part in a series of events that were always exciting for those 7 days, and it was really that fun to take part in the PKKMB. Because of the PKKMB, I also got a circle that to this day still greet each other and jokes. But now there are some that are a bit apart. Well, it's normal for a circle to have something like that. Sorry. Your microphone mute.
Okay, Mr. Andre, I have question for you.
Okay. What?
Uh, in the PKKMB moment, so memorable for you that you missed that moment?
Hmm, it's really impressive because of the PKKMB. I discovered my new world, my new world in college, and it's fun to remember those PKKMB days.
Okay. I have one question for you too.
Okay.
Mm, but are you tired now to attend to PKKMB event?
Hmm, to be honest, I'm really tired. but I am more focused on the excitement of the series of events, so I don't feel tired.
Mm. Okay, I think the next participant this podcast, I have question to next participant. Next, Mr. Anwar Ibrahim Ahmad.
Okay.
Can you tell me how your photo you post in this web language English, England?
All right, I will tell about it. I took part in the LKS IT Network System Administration competition and ended up in six in East Java. It was super tough. Everyone in the competition was super competitive, and some participants had skills way beyond that you would expect from vocational high school standards. It was pretty amazing to see, and honestly, I didn't expect to place that high. I thought I would end up in the teens.
Okay, nice the story. I have two questions for you, Mr. Anwar. The first question is, what contest were you in the photo you post, and how did you do in the competition?
I'm doing pretty great in the competition, even though I lose, but still pretty amazing to me.
Hmm. How did you feel to lose in the competition?
It felt kind of strange and confusing. Like it was finally over, so I wasn't tired anymore. And at the same time, I also feel sad because after all the effort I had to put in, I could only get that far. Especially after all the very, very exhausting and boring training.
Hmm. Okay, thanks to Mr. Anwar. His story for very, very excited for me. Okay, next. Mr. Fresira Valino Firmansyah. Yes, you look so handsome and masculine. Okay,
Of
how
course,
are
of course.
you? How are you, Ravalino?
Oh, I'm fine, thank you. How are
Mm,
you?
I'm fine too. Okay, in this, uh, can you tell me how your company after graduation?
Okay, I will tell you. Since I since childhood, I have always been amazed by stories of heroes. The figure of Ali Mansur, who as cleric also participated in the struggle of Indonesian independence. Ali Mansur is not just figure in history books, but but is an inspiration who fuels my en- enthusiasm to contribute to social society. I often imagine how Ali Mansur faced challenge and difficulties in the past. I am amazed by Ali Mansur courage and tenacity in fighting for truth and justice. From there, I began to realize that every individual has the potential to become a hero in other own life in different ways. As I get older, I become more confident that education is the key to build a better future. I remember how Ali Mansur always em- emphasized the importance of knowledge and education. I am also determined to be part of the process of educating the nation, the nation life, as was done by Ali Mansur. Is his time I chose to become a teacher because I have a very important role in shaping the character and future of the young generation. I want to be like Ali Mansur, an inspiration who is able to raise my fighting spirit and encourage me to achieve my goal. As a student, I always try to still the noble values inherited by Ali Mansur, such as honest. My teaching my friend to always be honest in everything. I want my students to become heroes for themselves and society. Maybe that was all.
Okay, nice your inspiration. I have question for you, Rafaelino. The first question is, what inspired you the most about the figure of Kiai Haji Ali Mansur, and how do you apply that inspiration in your daily life?
Okay. For first question, what inspired me the most about the Ali Mansur? what inspired me in what inspired me the figure of Ali Mansur is his courage and determination in fighting for Indonesian independence and his empathy on the importance of education. For example, I apply this inspiration in my daily life by always trying to be honest and disciplined in learning and active in social activity. So, activity in surrounding environment. In addition, I also strive to continue to improve my knowledge and skill in order to make meaningful contribution to society, as done by Ali Mansur. And for second question, how do you think education can, can be the main tool to create a better young generation? My answer is education is the main foundation in shaping the character and skill of the younger generation. For example, is like with a quality education, students not only acquire academic knowledge but also critical, creative, and social thinking skills. Maybe that's all to me. Thank you very much.
Okay, thanks you to your answer. The last participants, Brother Janoma. Okay,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm fine.
Hmm. I have. Can you tell me how your company after graduation, Mr. Rajanoma?
After graduation, I would like to join one of the big tech companies like Google, Microsoft, or Apple. These companies are always looking for new talent and offer money opportunities for growth. Additionally, working at a big company will give my access to innovate project and allow me to learn from the best experts in the field. After graduation, I have several big plans that I want to pursue. First of all, to start a career in the technology industry. There are many big companies. I want to join one of those companies working as a software developer or data analyst. The technology field is constantly evolving, and there so many new innovation that want to explore and be a part of.
Okay, nice story, Mr. Ganoma. And I have two questions for you. The first question is, which big tech company would you like to join after graduation? And why your join company?
Okay,
Okay.
I believe that by starting a technology startup, I can be more free to express my creativity and solve real problems in society. For example, I can develop technology solutions that help improve digital literacy and remote areas or create tools that
Mm,
make daily activities more efficient and secure. By leveraging technological innovation, my startup can have a significant positive impact on the community. Thank you.
um, okay. The last question. How do you plan to start a technology startup to help solve real problems in society?
I believe that by starting a technology startup, I can be more free to express my creativity and solve real problems in society.
Mm,
For example, I can develop technology solutions that help improve digital literacy and areas or grids, make daily activities more and secure.
mm, okay. Thanks for participants to join the podcast, and thank you for joining this podcast.
You are
Good
welcome.
night.
Okay.
You.